you do? Leave him home?
They only closed the railroad down for third shift tonight and first shift tomorrow. So he had to work.
I got an apple.
Where'd you get it from?
Santa.
Santa gave you an apple?
Yeah, I need you gum.
That must be a chore.
These gums. Here's the train. Here's the train. You forgot how. That was like a cut.
Taylor, are you going to have one of these someday?
Yes, I'm going to have this whole thing for Christmas.
You are?
I gotta find a whole place that's big to build this. I wish I could build these.
Tom has one of these in the basement.
Ah, I wish he could play with it.
There's a place down in either Minneapolis or St. Paul
We
that's
should
got a
watch
great
this
big
today.
setup, the replica of Minneapolis.
Can we come see this again tomorrow?
I don't know what the name of the place is, but there is it's a railroad place
Wait,
down there
watch,
that
keep
has it.
watching. On the side, look at the train.
And I don't know, they will dim the lights over it, so and all the lights in the buildings and the street lights and all that, train lights, they're all on. That's all you see.
No, don't touch this. That'll make it come off the tracks.
You'll derail it.
And then Jim's going to have to climb over here and try to put it back on.
And I also service the industry, so I take my car off the track and we touch buildings in the street. It's really messy.
There it goes. Down that track.